Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome back to my channel. So tonight, you guys, is part 2 of my meal plan that I'm doing with some chicken that I cooked. Actually, it was just last night that I cooked this. And part 1 of the meal plan was where I took this chicken along with some lettuce and undercovered here because I just took it out of the fridge. For part 2, which is what we're doing this evening, I've got some onions, I've got some green peppers, I've got some tomatoes. And what I did with these ingredients last night, you guys, is I put it all together in a chicken burrito bowl. You guys, if you've not yet seen that video, and if you've not yet tried that recipe, what are you waiting for? It was absolutely delicious. And if you've not yet seen it, I will leave that in the card above so that you can put that together as well. But, after you finish watching this video, you guys, because tonight we are taking a lot of the same ingredients and we are repurposing them. And tonight we are going to make a garden salad with the same ingredients along with this delicious stovetop chicken that I cooked, you guys, to perfection, I must say. Don't want to brag, but it was just that good. In a cast iron skillet after I season it with some salt, some pepper, some paprika, and this dash Southwest chipotle seasoning blend. And when I tell you this chicken was juicy, it was flavor filled, and it was just absolute perfection in that burrito bowl. It's going to be the same thing in this garden salad. So if you want to learn how to put all of this together, you guys stick with me, and we're going to do exactly that coming up next. Okay, everyone, let's go ahead and cut up these veggies a little bit more for this salad. So tonight I decided, in addition to what I've already prepped, I'm going to add some cucumbers to my salad. Okay, and put these on top of the lettuce. And we've got some green peppers here. Go ahead and put those on top, as many or as little as you like. And I love onions, you guys, so I'm going to take these onions and on top they go. I'll give you guys a better look here. Not being a good host. All right, that looks good. Next, you guys, some tomatoes. Not only are they delicious in this salad, but they add some nice color as well. And then next, we've got this chicken. And I prepared this chicken last night, as I indicated earlier in this video. What I did is, because I had just taken it out of the refrigerator, what I did is I took a paper towel, I wet it, I put it on top, I stuck it in the microwave for a few seconds just to warm it up. So let's just set this aside for a second. Doesn't that salad look good? Just like that. It looks phenomenal. Okay, so let's take this chicken out of this bowl. And we're going to cut it into chunks. All right. And on top it goes. And then last, some cheese. All right, you guys, this is the completed grilled chicken salad that is fit for a king and a queen. Look at this salad, you guys. This looks amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop it in the microwave just for a few seconds, just to melt this cheese a little bit. And then when I come back, we are going to dig in. All right, everyone, welcome back. So when I tell you this is meal planning at its finest, I took all the ingredients that I needed to make 2 chicken meals. I prepped it last night. I made 1 meal last night, and I came back this evening after a hectic day at the office, and I put together meal number 2. This took you guys all of 5 minutes, and that is because of proper planning. And this looks so good. I just took it out of the microwave to melt this cheese a little bit. I'm going to put some of this homemade, yes, you guys, homemade ranch dressing. Look at that. Oh my gosh. On top of this. And then we're going to eat. That looks amazing. And the recipe for this dressing is coming up soon, you guys. And of course, if you don't have any homemade dressing or the ingredients that make it homemade, you can use bottled as well. Just watch the sugar content. Lord, I thank you. All right. Let me see if I can get a little bit of everything onto this fork. I need some tomato here. All right, you guys, I am going in. Fresh ground black pepper. Put some of this on top. One more bite. And then I'm going to let you guys go so that you can go to your fridge, get all these ingredients together, and make yourself one of these phenomenally delicious grilled chicken salads. You won't be disappointed, I promise you. Okay, everyone. Thank you again so much for joining me. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel and you enjoy the content that I'm bringing you, please remember to hit that subscribe button below and also hit that notification bell, you guys, so that you will always know when I upload new content. Remember, it is a great day and you continue to make it your own kind of special, you guys. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, you guys. And I will see you all real soon on my next Fit Fab 50. Enjoy, and I'll see you soon.